So today Mr. Chippie is testing the Amstrad HCB1 on the field test. So I'm going to talk to him from hopefully 1.5 miles away at the top of the hill, and if it doesn't work out I'll get him to come back a bit closer. The radio's on channel 30 and we've got our beautifully calibrated Rotel RVC 230. I'll just make sure he's in the car. So you're going to tell me where he's from the car, and then he'll go out with the handheld. Then that footage from his body cam will be on the next video. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21.
Okay, how are you doing?
Coming up to Ancaster Crossroads.
Okay, roger. Sounds like the wait at the crossroads was an eternity.
It was. I'm just in position at the top of the hill now.
Okay, roger, I'll listen out for you on the walkie-talkie. Now remember, these radios are 150 milliwatts, so that's not much more than 1/8 of a watt. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Are you receiving, over? Tango 21, I can just hear the squelch moving. So move on to the nearer test point at the quarry, over. Just hear him there at the 1.5 mile point. She's going to move 1/4 mile back, so we're in 1.25 miles.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, just back in the car.
Yeah, roger on that. Were you able to hear me okay on it?
Yeah, plenty loud enough. Really good signal, to be honest.
Okay, 10-4.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, in position at Goldholm Stone Quarry.
Okay, roger, I'll listen out to you on the handheld. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Are you receiving, over? Okay, can you talk really closely into that? The speaker is also the microphone on that radio. I've got a good signal from you, but it was very quiet, over. Okay, that's absolutely fine. So I don't need to do any further tests with you, and you can return back to Tango Towers, over. Okay then. Oh, there we are. So 1.25 miles. So 1.5 point. He was just too indistinct. If you heard that squelch open, and it just heard a bit of nothing. But at that point, I know he's a bit quiet. The radio is on maximum deviation. At the end of the day, they're little more than toys, aren't they? And just imagine how rubbish they are between a pair. I mean, we're doing this with a really good mobile radio, and we've got 1.25 miles on it. But I bet between a pair, I bet you it's 100 yards. So there you are. That's the Amstrad HCB1, and I'm going to tack the video. Oh, I can't tack the video onto this one because it's a different format. So the next video will be his footage. So quite short, but it does work. 1.25 mile range. Thank you for watching.